Have you ever looked down at a trail of ants and wondered, do these tiny creatures ever take a break? Well, what if I told you? Ants never sleep, not in the way we understand sleep. See, humans need sleep to survive. 6, 7, maybe even 8 hours a day. Our brains shut down into different sleep cycles. We dream, we rest, we recharge. But ants? Ants are like tiny machines designed for non-stop work. Scientists have studied ant behavior for years, and what they found is mind-blowing. While ants do enter periods of rest, it's not actual sleep. Their brain doesn't go through the same deep sleep phases like ours. Instead, ants take microscopic power naps, just a few seconds long, scattered throughout the day. You could say they blink instead of sleeping. And guess what? Even during those tiny rest moments, their bodies stay alert, ready to react. In one study on fire ants, researchers observed that worker ants rested around 250 times per day, but only for about 1 minute each time. That's around 4 to 5 hours of micro-rests in total, but never deep sleep. But it gets crazier. In an ant colony, the queen ant actually sleeps longer than the workers. She takes deep, regular naps, allowing her to live longer, sometimes up to 20 years. Meanwhile, worker ants, they hustle every second of their short lives, which usually last a few months. So the queen rests, rules, and reproduces. And the workers? They grind day and night, no weekends, no holidays, just pure dedication. What if humans worked like ants? No sleep, just micro-rests? It sounds impossible, but for ants, it's just how they're built. Their nervous system is wired to function this way. Their muscles don't need the kind of rest ours do. And that's why you can drop a crumb on the floor, and within minutes, an entire army shows up. Because an ant colony is always awake, always watching. Think about that. While you're sleeping peacefully in your bed, there's a team of tiny workers hauling food, building tunnels, and protecting the queen. Ants also communicate using chemicals called pheromones, and they never need to stop for a chat. Their messages are instant, precise, and efficient. Everything about ants is designed for productivity. They've been around for over 140 million years, older than the dinosaurs. And they live almost everywhere on Earth, from jungles to deserts, from sidewalks to your kitchen. And yes, they do it without ever truly sleeping. So next time you see a line of ants, remember you're looking at one of nature's most dedicated workforces. Tiny, silent, sleepless, that's the secret life of ants, and now you know.